Top 10 AI tools we use to 10x our team's productivity at Custom Product Builder and Drive by Automation AI. Hi friends, Lex Mustafin here. I'm founder and CEO of Custom Product Builder, a platform that powers thousands of international brands like Giant Bicycles or local US manufacturers like Martinez Tools to sell customizable and personalizable products at scale, boost average order value by 20% plus, and reduce product returns to zero. I'm also a co-founder at Drive by Automation AI, an AI transformation agency that empowers businesses to automate repetitive workflows, customer service, and sale processes using practical no-code, low-code, and custom AI systems. I run multiple tech companies, and like many of you, I used to spend most of my days buried in operational work, emails, spreadsheets, and repetitive tasks. Day in, day out, it never ends. 2 years ago though, I decided to change that. I started learning about AI automation. First, I took a course at the university, but not as a programmer, but as a small business owner who needed to save time and scale efficiently. Then I started implementing AI in my own companies and training my own team members. Then I started offering AI to our customers and we got pretty successful results. Fast forward, today our teams and teams of our clients are 10x more productive and customer engagement is up by 80%. We've built systems that run smooth 24/7 and we didn't have to fire anyone. In fact, now our teams and the teams of our clients are grateful that we trained them to use all of these AI powered tools. So in this video, I'll show you the top 10 AI tools that helped us get there. And I'll invite you to an exclusive live webinar workshop where we'll walk through exactly how to apply these tools to your own business. So let's dive in. Tool number 1 is Notion AI. Our entire fleet of companies runs on Notion AI. It's our digital headquarters. We use it for documentation, SOPs, project and product management, and content creation. One of its most powerful features is called databases. Think of it as an Excel table on steroids. Every cell can open a new document. You can link data across projects, track clients, or plan marketing campaigns, all in one connected system. Notion is free to start and around $12 per user per month for teams. For us, it's a no-brainer. It's the single most valuable productivity tool we use. Next tool is Miro. Miro is our digital whiteboard. This is where ideas come alive, whether we are mapping workflows, designing customer journeys, or doing business audits for clients. When you see everything visually in one place, it's easier to spot bottlenecks and new opportunities. Next up are custom GPTs and Claude projects. These ones changed everything for us at the very beginning. We've built private AI assistants, custom GPTs and Claude projects when they just appeared in the market, trained them on our company knowledge, brand voice, master prompts, and proven frameworks we use, like Hormozy style offers and our ROI-driven approach. These assistants help us generate landing pages, social media content like this video, cold emails, and even LinkedIn outreach campaigns, all in our own voice. It's like having a 24/7 marketing team on payroll for just $20 a month. Not bad. Next up are Relevance AI and NA10. Here's where things get exciting. Using Relevance AI, I built a smart no-code chatbot in just one day, and my dev team was surprised, but they deployed it into production in 1 hour. It was trained on our Zendesk articles, tickets, and FAQs, and now handles 40 to 60% of our product setup questions within seconds, and it boosted our customer conversion rate by almost 40%. Then we took that MVP workflow to the next level with NA10, an open source workflow automation builder. Now we have a multi-agent system connected to our Zendesk, CRM, task tracker, and billing software. It can manage lead capture, support requests, and even handle vendor billing. We've built NA10 workflows like maintenance bots for our welding machines in our in-house factory, automated quote comparison agents and proposal drafting agents for our insurance clients. We also built social media marketing automation workflows for our e-commerce clients. For small businesses, this low-code drag-and-drop tools is the closest thing to having your own private AI infrastructure, and everything at a fraction of the cost. Next tool is Read.AI. For meetings, Read.AI is a lifesaver. It automatically joins our Zoom and Meet calls, records, transcribes, and sends AI-generated summaries with key decisions and next steps within minutes. Now even if I miss a meeting, I know exactly what happened and can jump in where needed. It's like having an executive assistant in every call. The free tier gives you 5 meetings a month and it's $15 after that. It's absolutely worth it. Next couple of tools are for my personal productivity, 11 Labs and Vapi. When I go hiking, I record voice notes and then 11 Labs transcribes them for me automatically. Then they're added to my searchable notes and tasks. My personal AI voice assistant built with Vapi can schedule meetings, read my calendar, and even answer calls when I'm busy. It's an ultimate front desk assistant or a personal assistant. And finally, GoHighLevel. It's our all-in-one CRM and marketing automation system. We use it to manage leads, send email campaigns, build simple landing pages, and handle forms, invoices, and contracts. GoHighLevel rivals giants like HubSpot, but at a fraction of the cost. Perfect for small businesses that want enterprise-level automation on a lean budget. So there you have it. The 10 AI-powered tools that keep our team efficient, creative, and competitive. Now we also use some other tools like HeyGen for video avatar generation, Midjourney, and ChatGPT images for generating marketing banners. But these tools that I listed, none of these tools need technical background. Yourself, your existing team members, and your interns can start automating your processes if you know exactly what you need. So you just need to know where to start. And that's why, together with Steve Diol, an industrial engineer and the ex-Rockwell Automation solution architect, we created an AI workshop for small business owners and their teams. A live hands-on session where we show you step by step how to automate repetitive work, personalize customer experience, and scale your operations. Click the link below to reserve your spot in the upcoming session. The sooner you and your team start using these tools, the faster you'll empower your people and 10x your business growth. Don't miss this holiday season and don't wait until your competitors get ahead of you. Join us live, learn the playbook, and start building your own AI-powered advantage today. Please like this video, share with your friends who own businesses, and I'll see you all at the webinar. Don't miss your opportunity to start automating this holiday season. Since we just recently started AI educational content based on everything that we've learned ourselves and implemented for our customers, we offer a pretty sweet deal for our first comers. So this holiday season, I'd like to gift you an opportunity to scale your business 10x using AI. I'll see you at the webinar. Thank you for your time today and have a wonderful rest of your day.